Violence has hit Muzaffarnagar once again. 4 people have been killed in 2 separate incidents of violence. Muzaffarnagar, remember, was hit by communal violence last month in which at least 60 people were killed. The police say there is no evidence that the killings which took place on Wednesday were linked to any communal tension. However, around 600 paramilitary personnel from the state's reserve forces have been sent to the area to prevent any flare-up. In the first incident, a land dispute between people from 2 villages reportedly turned violent and led to the killing of 3 men. 8 people from Mohammadpur have been arrested. In the second incident, a woman was killed. There have been no leads on that yet. Let's go over to Tanima Biswas, who joins us now for more on this story. Tanima, we've got a situation where Muzaffarnagar was very tense less than a month and a half ago. Clearly, with these 2 incidents taking place, the authorities don't want to take any chances.
That's right. They seem to have swiftly moved into action even last evening. But what seems to have been the case over here, Kajori, is that after relaxing the watch over these village areas, over the rural areas of Muzaffarnagar, the police and the administration had in fact been telling us that the situation had normalized to a large extent after what they had seen in September, the clashes that had taken place in the same belt of rural areas in Muzaffarnagar, that where we are standing right now in Budhana area, where several villages had in fact been affected because of communal clashes. Now, as far as communal violence, the term is concerned, what the police and district officials over here are telling us is that they are not strictly calling it that at the moment. They are saying that yes, in this particular incident, the fight did involve people from 2 different communities. In one community, 3 people suffered heavy injuries, and because of which they ultimately succumbed to their injuries and died. But they are not strictly calling it a communal clash at the moment. They are saying that they are still investigating the exact cause which led to the motive which led to this clash which took place between these 2 groups. Although we have seen the FIR, and according to the FIR, though, the complainant has alleged that there was a communal tone to the verbal spat which had broken out between these 2 groups, these villagers from 2 different villages, Husainpur and Mohammadpur. So it seems to be a case in which the complainant seems to suggest that it was a communal, an attack due to communal reasons. But at the moment, the police are keeping it open-ended, saying that till their investigation reaches a certain extent, they would not want to comment on that. But yes, the peace in this region seems to have been disturbed to some extent, although unlike the previous time, unlike the previous incidents that we saw, it has not spread to surrounding villages. It's only been contained to 1 village so far. Let's just listen in to what the village chief from Husainpur had to tell us. We are here at this madrasa at Husainpur village in Budhana area of Muzaffarnagar district of Uttar Pradesh, where unfortunately some killings took place. 3 people have died who belong to this village. We are here at this madrasa where people have gathered to pay their last respects to the dead. What we are being told is that there was a clash which took place between people of 2 communities, but the police are not technically calling it communal violence yet. They are still trying to investigate the matter and figure out how these deaths took place. शहनवाज जी, आप इस गांव के प्रधान हैं. आपके हिसाब से जो आपने बातचीत करके लोगों से पता किया, क्या हुआ था?
हमारे ये 5 बच्चे अपने पशुओं के लिए चारा लेने के लिए गए थे और 3 बच्चे खेत के अंदर से चारा काट रहे थे. 2 बच्चे बाहर बैठे हुए गन्ना चूस रहे थे, गन्ना खा रहे थे कि अचानक ही 20-25 आदमियों का एक झुंड सा आया और उन्होंने उन 2 आदमियों पर हमला कर दिया. जो एक बच्चा खेत में उनके नजदीक था, उसने भाग के देखा कि ये हमले जैसी आवाज क्यों है, गाली गुफ्तार रुके की आवाज क्यों है, शोर शराबा सुन के जैसा आया उसे भी दबोच लिया गया. उन्हें उनकी बात सुनने के बाद जैसा ही एसओ भोरा कला, जो थाना भोरा कला पड़ता है मोहम्मदपुर राय सिंह का, वहां पे कांटेक्ट किया और लगातार मैंने 20 मरतबा कॉल की, लेकिन फोन रिसीव नहीं किया गया. उसके बाद सीओ बुढ़ाना जो पड़ते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे, उनका फोन मिलाया गया, एसपी देहात का फोन मिलाया गया, लेकिन वो भी एंगेज थे. खैर सीओ बुढ़ाना का फोन मिल गया. मैंने उन्हें हवाला से अवगत कराया. इतने पुलिस वहां पर पहुंचती, उन्होंने अलर्ट दिखाया, लेकिन इतने पुलिस वहां पहुंचती, उनकी हत्या हो चुकी थी.